Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. Today we're learning how to make coasters that look like coffee cups. With pinked edges, it's a quick and easy sewing project for coffee lovers. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. Or check out my Etsy shop where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with the cutting measurements, the materials lists, step-by-step instructions, color photos, and any printable templates needed. And since it's a digital pattern, you can download it and get started sewing today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric for the cups, cotton batting, fabric scraps to make it look like coffee, and of course the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates and cut out the oval coffee portion of the template on the dotted line and set it aside, and then discard the inner portion of the handle. Place the cup fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the coffee cup templates on the fabric at least half an inch to an inch from the fabric's edge and from each other, and pin them in place and rough cut around the templates. Stitch the cups together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Stitch around the inside of the cup handles. Then remove your templates and use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim 1/4 inch to half an inch outside the stitching lines. And do the same for all the cups. It can be difficult to trim the inside parts of the handles, so you might want to use scissors instead of pinking shears when you're cutting away the fabric from the inner portion of the handles. Then use the oval template to cut out fabric coffee. Arrange the coffee inside the cups and secure them in place with a straight stitch, a blanket stitch, a zigzag, or a satin stitch. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I start working on the piece. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of drink coasters that look like coffee cups. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.